Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to disable touchpad on your laptop. So we'll show you two methods. First method is just look for on the F1, F2, F3, F5. So just check for this sign here. If your laptop has this sign, that means you can disable or enable it from your keyboard. So just press and hold Fn plus F5 and it will disable the touchpad. As you can see, I'm pressing and the touchpad mouse pointer is not moving. Now if you press and hold Fn and F5 again, your touchpad will be working again. Another method you can try is just so go on the search menu and type in touchpad. And go on to touchpad settings. Now go on to more touchpad settings. So this is a Dell laptop. The Dell has their own option for touchpad. So you can just click on here, change Dell touchpad setting. Just double click and that setting will come up, and from there you can turn the touchpad on and off. If you have any other laptop, you can just go on to this setting here, the mouse properties, and you'll see an option touchpad on here, and from there you can enable or disable it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.